In this section of the tutorial, I will cover 50 tips and tricks on how to use Windows 10. This is going to be subdivided into 5 tips every video. So be sure to stay tuned to watch each and every one of it so that you can enhance your experience in the use of Windows 10. Hi everyone, I am Dr. Rashid and welcome back to Epic Mentorship. If you are new here, consider liking and subscribing to our channel to keep enjoying related useful videos from this channel. For you today, 5 tips and tricks. Let's get started. Tip number 1 is Windows V. Windows V is a very useful feature that enables us to copy and paste multiple options while we are working on Windows. The usual way is when we copy a particular text, we do Ctrl+C and we do Ctrl+V to paste. The clipboard allows us to only paste the last selection. The last part of the copying is what we are only going to paste. If you copy another one, it only keeps the last option, the last selection that you have made. That's all. Now, Windows V enables you to make multiple pasting. You can paste multiple copies at a time. So to access Windows V, all you need to do is to come over to Windows over here and navigate to Settings. And then you come over to System, move all the way down to Clipboard. Ensure that this clipboard history is enabled. Once you enable it, you can close and come down here. And you can copy content 1, content 2, and content 3 at different times. So whenever you want to make a paste somewhere, all you need to do is to press Windows sign and V. I need to show you the available text that you have copied on the clipboard, and you can select and paste accordingly. Once you select, you paste. Windows V again, you select option 1. Windows V again, you select option 3. So you can paste multiple text within a particular document with the help of Windows V. Tip number 2 is Snip and Sketch. Snip and Sketch is a very new feature that is recently introduced in Windows 10. Now, to access Snip and Sketch, all you need to do is to come over here to the search area and type Snip, and you see it over here. It's a brand new feature that you can access using the Windows logo key plus Shift plus S. You can still access this same feature by pressing this control. So you can press on new, create a new snip, and you have the option to do rectangular snip, or you can do custom snip or freeform snip. You can do freeform snip, and you can do window snip, and you can snap the whole screen, full screen, which is full screen snip. So let's say you want to do a rectangular snip. You can just click on this and then you just select a particular place like this Google, and you can bring it in and you can edit. For example, over here you can write. You can use the black pen as well, and you can use the highlighter to highlight certain key facts, and you can use the eraser to clean a particular part of the document. And you can bring the ruler to ensure that you get the measurements correctly. And you can crop the document from here, maybe to resize it, and you crop it. And then you select here once you're done. And you have the option to save, okay, with Ctrl+S, or you can save just like that, or you can copy and paste in a particular document, and you can share it with people or using other devices. Down here, you have the option also to open a particular file that you have saved into this place. So this is a very, very useful and handy feature that you can always use to enhance your experience in Windows 10. Tip number 3 is Aero Shake. Aero Shake is very important to help you manage your Windows as you are working in Windows 10. Assuming you are working on these multiple open pages and you want to close the last 2 pages, all you need to do is to just do a shake. It closes the other windows behind it, and you do another shake, it brings it back. That is Aero Shake. You do another shake, it closes them, another shake, it brings it back. So it's a very useful way to kind of manage your windows as you open them and close them in Windows 10. Tip number 4 is Snap Assist. Snap Assist is a very useful feature in Microsoft in Windows 10 that enables you to manage the way your screen windows should appear as well. For example, if you drag this header to the top and release it, it's going to open to the full screen. You drag it again, you take it to the edge, and it's going to give you a corner screen. Take it to the right again, it's going to give you another corner screen. Left, top, and bottom, the same thing. At the bottom also, same thing. And if you take it to the left, it's going to open up a given set of other windows that you can open side by side to this particular window. Okay, so you can click on this and you have it open side by side. So you can open the same way to the left, and it gives you the opportunity to open another window again side by side, and you can work with them together. To enable Snap Assist, all you need to do is to come over to the Windows here and come over straight to Settings, to System, and come straight all the way to Multitasking. You can see multitasking window here, and make sure this Snap Windows is selected, and all these features are selected as well. So this is very easiest way to enable Snap Assist. Tip number 5 is dark mode. Recently, Windows 10 has brought in new feature that you can tamper with the lighting system of your computer. So you can have very much interactive ways to relate with your computer, maybe during the day and during the night. So dark mode is a very new feature that you can access just by coming to Windows and Settings, and then navigate all the way to Personalization, and then come over to Color. You have the custom settings to choose the default Windows mode as dark and the apps settings as light. You can see the preview over here, and you have the option to check and select either the dark or the light mode accordingly. You select the dark mode, it's going to convert everything to dark mode, and you select the light mode to bring back everything to light mode. Now in the custom mode, you can choose to have the windows in light or in dark mode. You can still see the preview over here, and you can choose to have the apps also in light or in dark mode. You can see the preview, but I prefer the apps to be in light mode and the windows to be in dark mode. So this is a very useful feature that you can use to kind of play around with the settings of your computer and to have better access and better experience during the day and during the night, or while you're working on Windows 10. Alright guys, I hope you have enjoyed these 5 tips and tricks. If you do, kindly feel free to share with your friends. And don't forget to watch out for the remaining tips and tricks that I share in this particular series. And remember to hit the like and subscribe button to stay connected to this channel for more of our useful videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.